Getting information into a database is pretty simple. Sometimes there's an interface and sometimes you have to type the syntax. The syntax is actually where we'll focus because that's what you'll probably need to know when you start programming the front-end programs that provide an interface. The syntax is pretty easy, so let's get started. The first syntax we'll look at will specify each field. Insert into shippers, and then in a set of parentheses the fields, shipper ID and name. Then values, in a set of parentheses. Inside of there, you'll specify the values that are going into the fields that you specify. If they're text type values, they'll be enclosed in quotes. If they're not, like the ID, they'll not be enclosed in quotes. Just like when you're querying in a where clause. This method explicitly states each field being inserted into. It is convenient if you're only putting information into some of the fields and leaving others empty. Then we check to see that the record was inserted. The next method will not specify the fields, so it is assumed you are entering a value for all fields on the table, in order they appear on the table. Insert into shippers values, and then instead of parentheses 6 and Roadrunner Express. Notice that after the table name we did not specify the fields. We are inserting into all fields in that table. This table just happens to have 2 fields, so it's not a huge long list, it's just 2. The last method is a variation on the previous 2 methods. In conjunction with either method, you can specify multiple records by separating a value, parentheses, by a comma, and adding another, like this. Insert into shippers values, and then in one set of parentheses you put one record, the 6 and Roadrunner Express, then a comma and another set of parentheses, and in there you put your other record, 7 and Coyote Deliveries in this example.